Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, Emma and Jake will show you how to talk about your day in simple, natural English. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and improve your daily English conversation skills. Hi, Jake. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks for asking. These are simple greetings you can use every day. So, Jake, how was your day?
My day was pretty good. I woke up early today.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up? I woke up around 6:30 a.m. What did you do after waking up?
Well, first I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and then I made breakfast.
Nice. What did you have for breakfast?
I had scrambled eggs and toast, and of course a cup of coffee.
Sounds delicious. So when did you leave for work?
I left home at around 8 a.m. The weather was really nice today.
That's great. How long does it take to get to your workplace?
It usually takes about 20 minutes.
What did you do at work today?
I had a team meeting in the morning. Then I worked on a new project.
Was it a busy day?
Yes, it was busy but productive.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a chicken sandwich and some fresh fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy during the week.
What about your afternoon?
In the afternoon, I replied to emails, finished my tasks, and had a quick coffee break.
Did you get everything done?
Yes, I finished everything on time.
So, Jake, how was your evening?
Pretty relaxing. I went home, took a short rest, and then cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
I made pasta with vegetables.
Wow, you're a good cook.
Thank you.
What did you do after dinner?
I watched a movie and then read a book for a while.
That sounds like a nice evening.
Yes, it was peaceful.
Thanks for sharing your day, Jake.
Thanks for asking, Emma. It was fun.
Now it's your turn. Try talking about your day in English. Repeat the sentences, practice daily, and you'll improve quickly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.